Hi, Chef Jason Bruner here. Tuesday tip of the day, we are gonna get some flavor into things and we are gonna use a sachet de piece. Now that's French. Now I studied at the Culinary Institute of America, which is a classic French trained, and they go all over and teach you a little bit about different cultures and different foods all over the world. But the basic cuisine is French. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take some of our ingredients and we're gonna show you how to get those ingredients flavorful into the soups or into the stocks or into a sauce. So what we have here is some whole garlic. We have some whole garlic clove. Beautiful, I love garlic. Then we have one of my personal favorites is bay leaf. Bay leaf, this little bitty leaf has so much flavor into it, and I'm gonna show you how to get it out. Now we have some beautiful fresh thyme, and we also have some whole peppercorns, Now these are what's in your little cracked peppercorn that you're doing over your salad. This is what's inside of there. Now you have these beautiful whole peppercorns, and this is gonna extract a lot of flavor. Now what we use is a piece of cheesecloth right here, and we're gonna take that, lay that down, and then we're gonna add our thyme. Boom, right there. And we're gonna add our bay leaves, right there. Then we're gonna add some garlic. Put the garlic right in there as well. And then we're gonna add our peppercorns. Now go ahead and just pour those peppercorns right in. Now this is the trick. You wanna fold that over. You wanna fold this one over so it all stays inside. And then what I'm gonna do is twist from each side. Twist it right with this side and left with this side. Then I'm gonna bring it together, and then I'm gonna tie it into knots. Boom. Now we have a little sack of herbs, garlic, peppercorns. This is a lot of flavor right here. Now it's in that cheesecloth, so it's not gonna get out. It's not gonna go all over your soup so you crunch it on peppercorns. But what it is gonna do is it's gonna extract that flavor out of here, and it's gonna get all that flavor into your soups, sauces, or stocks, right? So what we're gonna do now, another little Tuesday tip, we have a little twine here. Butcher's twine, a little bit of string. We're gonna take that, we're gonna wrap it once, twice, 3 times, and then we're gonna tie it in a little knot. So, after I tie this in a knot, then we're gonna show you exactly how I do it right here at the restaurant. So, now that I have this tied and my little sack of herbs, right? All this beautiful flavor, now I can throw this right in the pot. Let's say I'm making a onion soup, right? I sliced up all my onions, I caramelized them, I added a little sherry, right? Then I put a little stock in it. I'm gonna let that reduce and get all that flavor, but I'm gonna throw this in as well. And that's gonna bring all that bay leaf, all that thyme, all that peppercorn right to the forefront. Again, we're layering flavors, putting flavors on top of flavors to combine all those beautiful flavors to make one delicious meal, right? And also you'll see that I have a little bit of string left over. Now I don't need this much. We can go ahead and cut it. We'll go ahead and cut that string. But I do want a little bit of string. I'll throw that in my pot, and then I'll take the handle and I'll tie this on the handle. Boom. That way, when I'm finished making my soup or my stocks or my sauces, I can extract this, right? I can get it right out of there. Let's say I'm doing a cauliflower soup, and I got all the cauliflower and the onions and the shallots and all that cooking up. I add my cream, I throw this in the pot, I tie it up, so I got it right on the handle. Then, right before I'm ready to puree my soup or blend my soup, I can extract this very easily. Then I can squeeze it out to get all that little bit of flavor, and then all that flavor is in my soup, sauces, or stocks. And then that's what it talks about, layering those flavors in. So I hope I helped you bring a little more flavor to your dish right here on Tuesday Tip.